Ever since its launch in 2021, Karu 16 has had a phenomenal response from our customers and received amazing reviews from across the globe. Everyone loves it. But at Ooni, we're on a constant journey of innovation. We're constantly striving to make our products better. That brings us to Karu 12G. I'm super excited to introduce this product to the world. Karu 12G is a supremely balanced oven. It's so easy to use that it's accessible to anyone who wants to make pizza. We've also taken performance to the next level. Every touch point and way to interact with this oven has been improved. We've thought through every single detail. We're about to come on to have a look at the features in more detail, but having cooked on this oven a lot over the course of its development, I can tell you that Karu 12G is a beautifully portable, versatile oven that makes incredible pizza and beyond. Shall we take a closer look?